Are you able to hear? Good afternoon, everyone. Are you able to hear me? Are you able to get my voice? Hello. Fine. Okay, last one question we discussed that one. We completed that one. Everyone, you got answers? Try to understand that one. Is all that question? Still one or two questions. Then we can go to the one. I think almost ionic equilibrium is done. The remaining acid-base pH values, I hope you can find out. So remaining is direct equations, direct concepts. Directly minus log H plus equal to pH like that. You can try possible one or two questions. Let me solve one question. The pH of 0.05 m, the pH of 0.05 m aqueous solution of diethylamine diethylamine is 12. Calculate calculate Kb. Calculate Kb value. Right? Hope you can write for weak base OH minus concentration equal to C alpha. pH is 12 means POH equal to 2. Then if you are taking antilogarithm, that become OH minus concentration equal to 10 power minus 2. Substitute here 10 power minus 2 equal to C value they given 0.05 to alpha. Find alpha value. What is the alpha value here? 0.2. Is it correct? Then alpha percentage how much, sir? You are doing percentage of alpha. 20. So 20% means you can't neglect. Whenever that is less than 5% only you can neglect. So KB equal to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. So C already they given 0.05 into zero point 0.2 whole square by 1 minus 0.2. So this is your KB value. If you are not getting my voice, let me know that one. Huh? Or any other disturbances you are getting. Try to change. Yeah, I hope you know these small things, huh? Because I'm not discussing this there. pH equal to minus log H plus. These are I'm not discussing sir. Direct substituting values. POH equal to minus log OH minus. I hope everyone you know that one. Then calculate the pH of 10 power minus 7 m HCl pH and 10 power minus 8 m HCl pH and 10 power minus 6 m NaOH pH. All these things. So already have any, I think you have all these things idea. Okay, I don't want to discuss. Now breaking my voice. Now also. Okay. So if you have all these things idea, then we don't want to discuss it. Because I hope everyone you know who are doing these things. Because minimum basics. Things here pH of HCl how much are approximate value. What is the pH of HCl here? And pH of HCl here both can you give? Can you send anyone answer? 10 power minus 7 HCl and 10 power minus 8 HCl pH value. You're not sending in here. Roughly answer. We don't want exactly. Huh? pH of 10 power minus 7 HCl. How much, sir? 10 power minus 7 m. HCl pH. Approximately 6.9 something, sir. Even 9.8 or something. Because this is acid, you never get 7 pH. 7 means that is neutral. So not possible. 10 power minus 8 m HCl. Here also same thing. The pH should be less than 7 only. 6.95 or 9 or something you will get. But you never get 7 or more than 7 because acid always pH is less than 7. Is it correct or not? So that is the way you need to solve same thing. I think so this type of questions already we know we are expecting. So find here NaCN, NH4Cl, KCl, H2. Anyway, H2 also you don't want. Arrange these three pH orders are which is have highest pH, which one have lowest pH, what is that orders? pH increasing order or decreasing order, any one order you can write. So I'm asking increasing order. Means from low pH to high pH. Which one have highest pH and which one have lowest pH? Can you find? Try to respond. Question is which one have highest pH and lowest. Lowest is someone they given KCl is lowest and NaCN is highest pH. Remaining also people can respond. No negative marks. Just looking. Okay, sir will give answer. Then we can note down. Order same and reverse. Okay. Okay, fine. Any other answers? NaCN, KCl, NH4Cl. Yes, Tejeshwar. Yes, correct, sir. This is neutral salt. Strong gas, strong base salt. So pH can I take 7? This is NH4Cl. What type of salt, sir? Acidic salt. pH should be less than 7. Is it correct or not? Less than 7. NaCN. Which salt, sir? Basic salt. pH should be more than 7. Is it correct? So which is the highest pH? NaCN. Next KCl. Next NH4Cl. This is the answer. I hope you understood. Thinks you understood this one? No doubt here. So these type of questions you may get Please find the type of questions how to solve. These are not new questions, sir. Every book and every teacher they can discuss this, sir. Okay, fine. Suppose I am mixing pH value 8 and pH value 9, sir. Both I am mixing. Both you are mixing these two. What is the resulting solution pH value? I am taking equal volumes. We are mixing with equal volumes. Equal volumes. I need to find final resulting pH solution, sir. What is the pH of resulting solution? Anyone can you try? I need resulting solution pH value. At least approximate pH value. So when we are using equal volumes, means you can use any one volumes or both you can take 10 volumes, both you can take 20 volumes, your wish, equal volume meaning. So pH is suppose 8 means I can take 10 power minus 8. Assume that one concentration. And this is pH 9 means 10 power minus 9. So this is the concentration M1 P1 equal to M2 V2. Okay, someone they give an answer. Yes, yes, correct. Approximately 8.3 or 8.26. Anyone you are getting? Good. So both you are mixing this is. So that's going to be dilution. Here also same thing. Dilution, sir. M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. Because we are mixing two equal volumes means extra. This is some solvent and some we are adding. So resulting volume going to be increases. So dilution process. So first case 10 power minus 8 volume, assume that one V1 plus we are adding, sir, again this is also same thing 10 power minus 9 equal volume V1 we are adding. Equal volume means both I am adding same means that become 2V1. Okay, 2V1. So I can get here 10 power minus 8 you can take common 1 plus zero point 0.1 into V1 also you can take common here 2V1 will be cancelled. Then finally you'll get here 10 power minus 9 is correct? No, not 1.1. 10 power minus 8 into 1.1 by 2. So after this calculating, you can take apply negative logarithm, so minus log h plus. So your answer approximately 8. This is approximately 0.55 into 10 power minus 8 plus a negative logarithm. So you'll get pH value 8.26. Understood? Understood. Fine. Shall we discuss redox reactions? Wait. Few minutes you can complete ionic equilibrium, sorry, chemical equilibrium. Then we can start redox reactions. Okay? Is it okay for you? Just chemical equilibrium also you can close within few minutes. The acid-base theories, I hope you don't want to discuss now. Lewis acid-base theory, Arrhenius acid-base theory, Bronsted acid-base theory. These three. Anything you need explanation with respect to ionic equilibrium? Conjugate acid-base pair means one proton difference. Is it correct? Can you write, sir? Which of the following can act as? I need to know how much you know very well. These are basic. Which of the following can act as amphoteric in nature? Amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric in nature. I am giving here. Fine. Assume that one integer questions are this is. Which are the not, how many is correct? Huh? How many of the following integer questions? Find here. Fine. How many of the following are amphoteric in nature? Completed? Anyone you can give a number. No negative marks. Things are done. It can act as amphoteric. It can donate H plus. It can accept H plus. Even it can. Even it can, sir. But it can donate only H plus ion, so it can't give. So this is not possible. Water also can act as amphoteric, but OH minus they can't donate H plus ion. H2PO4 minus can donate H plus, can accept H plus. Even HPO4 2 minus also, but this is they can't donate in H plus because at base it is 1. Even SH minus can donate, it can accept, but they can't. So except these four, remaining are amphoteric in nature. Anyone you got answer? Or at least you understood or not? Yes, only two options, yes or no. You didn't get, let me know. I will explain. If you got, fine. We'll go further. Proton donor, acid, proton acceptor, base. Both they are doing means amphoteric. I think so some people you got correct answers you are expecting. And I am giving one statement. Is it correct or wrong? You can give a true or false. Please note down the statement. All neutralization reactions formed salt and water. Is it correct? In all the neutralization reactions, it forms salt and water. Can you say, sir, true or false that is? T or F? True, true. In all neutralization reactions, it forms water and salt. Only two students false, remaining the given three is correct. Okay, sir. Any other answers? Can you find what type of reaction these are? BF3 plus NH3 gives rise. NH3BF. This we called adduct. Adduct means their combination product. Adduct. This is NH4Cl. Can I say these two also neutralization? 1 and 2. Both we can say neutralization, or only 2 we can say neutralization, or only 1. Both we can say neutralization, or only 1, or both neutralization. One answer. What about remaining people? Are jail? Are you sleeping? Okay, both are neutralization reactions, sir. According to Lewis acid-base theory, this is acid and this is base. Then what we call acid-base reaction? Neutralization. This is neutralization. Here sp2 hybridization, the standard question, sir. And sp3. sp3, but what is the shape? Pyramidal. Due to one lone pair. Here sp3. sp3. Both are tetrahedral. Both this become tetrahedral because no lone pair. Even this also tetrahedral. This is also neutralization according to Lewis acid-base theory. So always all neutralization reaction can form water and salt is wrong. Here no water, and here according to Bronsted theory, we can apply lone pair. This is okay. This H plus. H plus acceptor, what we called base. H plus donor, what we called acid. Even still dissolves as base reaction. So in this case, no water formation. Is it correct? Are you understood or not? So we can't say all the reactions, all neutralization reactions are can form water and salt. That is wrong. It can form salt, chances. Okay, but water, no. Sir, understood or not? Maybe, sir, half of you got. At least let me know how much you understood. If understood means we can proceed next. Alright, these are basics. I hope you know. That's why I did concentrate much more. Next, I'm going equilibrium, K equilibrium directly. Who done mistake and who didn't give an answer? Those people should be understand, sir, first. Are able to see my screen? Someone they said not able to see. Huh? Yeah. Now I'm stopping this one. Ionic equilibrium. You can go further. Chemical equilibrium. Nowadays we observe that one most of the questions equilibrium constant expression is more important, sir. Equilibrium constant K, Kc or Kp expression they're asking that one. Mode of expression. Next maybe alpha degree of dissociation Kc calculation, alpha and Kc calculations, Kc and Kp both. Next Le-Chatelier principle. Le-Chatelier principle. These are the three parts which is you need to concentrate. And directly I'm going to write all these things. Equilibrium mode of expression of equilibrium constant. Anyway, equilibrium constant depends upon only one factor, that is temperature. Okay, Kp, Kc both are equilibrium constant. These are depends upon only temperature. I hope you understood. You make a note down also. Next, if suppose I am adding two equations, addition of equations means we have to multiply equilibrium constant. Multiplying equilibrium constants. Okay. For example, a plus b gives rise something. I'll give an example. Why this? I'll give example, sir. All these things. Next, if equation is inverse or reversed, equation is reversed, then k equilibrium also you have to write 1 by k, sir. Okay, you have to inverse like 1 by k. You have to write equilibrium constant inversing. If equation inverse means you need to write like this 1 by k or whatever. Next step. If you are multiplying with any number, if any equation into suppose you are doing n, Then you have to write new k equilibrium expression, whatever. If you are multiplying it, that's going to be power, sir. N. There should be power. But I am going to give all examples. You don't worry. In the equation, we are doing divided by half, sir. Then you have to write new equilibrium constant expression, power 1 by 2. Whatever you are doing, that value, sir. You have to do 1 by n means 1 by n. Shall we see one or two examples? Right? An equation. Suppose H2 plus I2 is raised to H. This equilibrium constant K1 Hi is raised half H2 plus half I2. What's the relation between K1 and K2? What is the relation between K1 and K2? K2 equal to 1 by root K1. Correct? I think so. This is K1. You can write. But K2 is the reverse of its above 1. Correct? So reverse means you have to take reversing means 1 by K2. But I divide with respect to half. The divide means will you get here whole power 1 by 2? Is correct? K1 equal to. Is it correct or not? Let me know that one. You have to write square or 1 by 2. So this is square. Is correct? Is there expecting? So anyway, you can write here K1 equal to, you can write Hi square by H2 I2. Clear? I need same expression means what I have to do. First this equation reversing multiplying into 2. So this should be square. Correct. And that should be this square, not 1 by 2. I think so square. Because you can write K2 expression K2 equal to I2 1 by 2 H2 1 by 2 by H. If I am taking this is 1 by K2, then we will get HI is up. But HI means I have to multiply into 2. Into 2 means it's going to be get square. Multiplying into 2 means square. So K1 equal to 1 by K2 square. Okay, I think so all these people are mathematics, we can do well, we're expecting. I've seen one question which is 2019. Shall we do one question already? We know that one. Fine. This type of questions nowadays they are asking this type of questions K1 K2 relation. One more. I need one more question. Are you getting my voice first? Hello. Is it clear? Now I think you are getting my voice. I hope. Fine. Thank you. One more question, sir. Then we can close this concept. N2 gas state plus 3H2 gas state gives rise to NH3. And this is K1. N2 plus O2, all are gas state. 2NO, this is K2. Then H2 plus half O2, H2O. All these are gas state, this is K3. The equilibrium constant for the reaction, can you derive that one? The equilibrium constant for the reaction will be, which is we have to add, which is we have to inverse, this is K1. Ammonia is reactant, means you have to inverse this equation, sir. K1 should be, you have to inverse first one. We are inversing means I will get 1 by K1 first. Next, NO is product, NO product only. But here 3H2O, product have 3H2O, means you have to multiply into 3 this is. Then multiply into 3 means this become Q, correct? And both we are adding. Water is their product and NO also product, means these two we are adding. We are adding means multiplying A equilibrium constant, K2 into K3 4 cube. Is it correct? Anything wrong? Yes, correct. These two are adding, but it is multiplying with 3, which you are multiplying means that K should be power, sir. Whatever that value you are multiplying, that you can write K power. And this is inversing reaction because ammonia is product here, but here reactant. That's the reason. So I think so. Okay, fine. You can see this question. Next, you can see degree of dissociation directly. Alpha. Kp Kc relation, Kp equal to Kc into RT power delta n. This is G, sir. Even this relation is important. They're asking nowadays question based on this. That decided by delta Ng. Okay, delta Ng equal to, can I write N product minus N reactant, but only in the gas state. N reactant, N products, only in the gas state, sir. You have to take only in the gas state. So Kp Kc relations already we know that one. Kp equal to Kc into RT power delta Ng. So next, degree of dissociation alpha. You may can apply even stoichiometry also. Some people sometimes they are using the same thing. Average molecular mass they are getting, they are calculating this is. You can try different type of problems. Then we can do easily, sir. And pure solids you have to take activity mass is 1 sir, and pure liquids also. Most we are calculating alpha value is for 1 mole. This is the basic one. So even they are giving 2Hi gives rise H2 plus I2. Should not take this is 2. Initially assume that 1 mole 0 0 1 minus. If you are taking this is x, it should be x by 2. X by 2 is the one method. Okay. Then alpha equal to number of moles dissociated by initial number of moles. How many dissociated? X by initial how much? 1. So alpha equal to 1. This is the best method. Always try to prefer. Otherwise, even you can try one more method, sir. Any one you can try. But try to prefer this one always. 2Hi H2 plus I2. I can take here 2Hi means 1 mole 0 0 1 minus 2x. Whatever that in front of that one. First write x into that coefficient. Here x into coefficient how much, sir? 1. Here also write x how much coefficient? Into 1. Clear? So alpha equal to here 2x by 1. Degree of dissociation by 1. But if you accept 1, if you are dividing, sir, all the cases by 2, then we will get again this is. Because degree of dissociation independent of initial concentration. That doesn't matter. Value, how many moles you are taking. 5, 10 doesn't matter. That. So here, if otherwise you are dividing 2x by 2, then we will get x. And x by 2, here, x by 2. You make and get. Can you apply for N2 plus 3H2? Gives rise to NH3. Initially 1 mole, 1 mole. Apply degree of dissociation 1 minus x. In front of how much this? Just 1 into 1x. 1 minus x, but how much are in front of this? 3. This is x, but how much in front of this? 2. So you can write like this. So this is the expression. You make and write Kp case relations. Kp equal to whatever they given number of moles you can write in terms of number of moles, because most of the time they are giving in terms of number of moles. N moles of, suppose I am giving general equation I can take. A moles of A plus B moles of B gives rise C plus D. Then Kp equal to in terms of Kn, in terms of Kn, sir, N C power C, N D power D, sir, number of moles of product by number of moles of reactant, number of moles of B into N total, sorry, P total by N total whole power delta N. G means gaseous state. If you remember this equation, we can apply Lee-Chatterjee principle. Applications also will discuss, sir. Factors affecting also we can complete easily. I think so. One more point. Array Kc and Qc, two terms is there. What is the relation between Kc and Qc? If Kc less than Qc means reaction is forward or backward, sir? Kc is less than Qc. Reaction is forward reaction or backward reaction? Backward reaction is correct. Right. Backward reaction. means product to reactant, backward reaction. Then Kc is greater than Qc, forward reaction, reactant to product. Kc equal to Qc at equilibrium. Then these three relations are important. You can see one more. Alpha value in terms of molecular weight. The derivations are not giving. Please find that is directly. No, these are not the correct time to do derivations. Right? Alpha equal to initial molecular weight. Okay, or M absorbed minus M mixture of the gases by 1 minus 1 into mixture M mixture molecular weight. Mixture means 2 3 gases, that is mixture, or alpha equal to terms of density. Okay, initial density d naught minus d mixture by n minus 1 into d mixture, or in terms of vapor density, initial vapor density minus vapor density mixture by n minus 1 into vapor density mixture. You can apply this is mostly n is the only product value, sir. Product number of moles. Product number of moles. Minus 1. Product number of moles minus 1. Can you write Kp expression in terms of alpha, sir? You can take here alpha equal to direct 1 minus alpha, right, sir? PCl3 plus Cl2. All these are gaseous state. Can you write Kp expression? I am taking initially 1 mole alpha, alpha, alpha. Can you write Kp expression? Anyone? Just write. It's completed. Let me know. I will write final expression. In terms of alpha only, in terms of alpha, Kp expression. In terms of alpha, Kp expression. Completed. I am giving here. Everyone got like this. Alpha square by 1 minus alpha square into P. Anyone got? We are applying, sir, same concept. PCl5 gives rise PCl3 plus Cl2. 1 0 0 1 minus alpha alpha alpha. At equilibrium, n total equal to 1 minus alpha plus alpha plus alpha. How much will get, sir? 1 plus alpha. I think so already given Kp equal to, array, you know that one, partial pressure of any gas equal to mole fraction of that